In this video, I'd like to discuss the product Sign Cabinet Kits. This product is utilized when you are purchasing sign kits from a supplier that comes generally pre-cut and you'll be assembling them and you order them on a one-up basis. If we look at this product within Control, if we are in an estimate, down our product list under electric signs you'll see Sign Cabinet Kits. Within this product, the first thing it wants to know is the kit itself, such as a wall mount finished. In these kits you can set up as many as required as that you sell. The quantity. Now the height, width, and depth are all recognized because the kit is predefined. The details comes from the cabinet type, so you understand what it is that you're purchasing. If we go into cabinet details, it's very similar to our other cabinet products, where you have the detailed description, how many square corners or radius corners, how it's mounted, the connections, dividers such as face dividers, the quantity of dividers, either horizontally or vertically, any changeable letter systems such as the rails and the letters themselves. Next, if we're looking at the sides, this is a single-sided, so it's assuming that the first side will be a face. Is there a particular retainer that we need to add? And then what type of face, giving us a link to the other products that are in the system, such as if we need to do a vinyl, cut vinyl on a rigid face, that would bring us to the product cut vinyl signs. These prices will be added in then as children into the Sign Cabinets Kit product. For more information on these children products, please review the videos. Please review the other videos. Next, we may choose to do an outsource, such as a face type, the supplier, unit cost, multiplier, and price. We wish to add one. Then we may choose to paint this particular sign cabinet, and if so, wants to know the mask, if there's any paint prep required, any texture, primer, and then primary paint types and colors. If it's a color match, you check this and it will apply the appropriate time and charges. If it's being overcoat, we also show what it assumes the square foot of the cabinet to be. Lamping. Is it vertical or horizontal lamping? And what lamps are going to be applied? The ballast and the ballast quantity. Here we can also go into details if you need to break it up into multiple lamp sizes, ballast, and fixture options. The add-ons, just a place to add additional modifiers or user add-ons for each additional product. Miscellaneous is just a location to add any additional charges that you wish to make to this particular product. Below that we'll have the description. Below that we have the description field and the production notes. Whatever is in the descriptions will print on estimates, invoices, and work orders, where production notes will only print on work orders. This concludes our video on the Sign Cabinet Kits. For further details, please review our other videos or contact Sirius Implementation Department. Thank you.